It is time.
Oh my man, khaligraphjones!
Sarkodie!
We did the right thing to collabo on that song, Wavy.
Sarkodie, see now, we need another collabo with another great African rapper.
Kaodenero.
Sarkodie, I beg. I don't want to have 1K view on my channel by doing a collabo with Kaodenero.
Damn, who should we do a collabo with?
Nasty C.
What about MI?
Sarkodie, MI is too short now. He won't be seen on the video.
Hey, Kaodenero.
Yes, boy.
I heard you will be dropping a new song soon, Birds of the Same Feather. Is it going to be a diss track on Sarkodie and Khaligraphjones?
If I vex small so, Mr. Toxie, then I will diss at them. Excuse me, I want to drag some more cigarettes outside. My brain the ish. Birds of the same feather. Hey, Chai, Kaodenero. I was just discussing with Sarkodie now that we should do a collabo with you. I will call myself a yam if I believe in your lies, khaligraphjones. Una di rap lie for una rap.
OG is saying the truth, Kaodenero.
Shut up, Sarkodie, with your lie chin. Get out of here, man. I want to smoke my London cigarette, please.
Kaodenero, I'm just pitying you. When you go craze, we could rap on your craze.
Sarkodie, now only your chin could set fire for your music studio. I'm off.
Damn, those two guys are owing me for 1 good year at my snack bar.
Where are she? Birds of the same feather flock together. Mr. Toxie, they don't vanish.